Ah, okay.
Trampoline.
I was sleeping, yeah, sorry.
Just like gone on YouTube, to give your brain some new food. Because we channel that if you watch, if you subscribe, we're gonna like that.
Hello, people! It's a sunny Saturday here in Switzerland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last time we checked today, it was 68 degrees.
Can you believe it? Summer is here.
That's the highest we have seen in
A long time.
months. Today's vlog is a special one.
Yes.
Again, because we are doing a dinner vlog.
A dinner party.
Yeah, call it a dinner party.
Yeah.
I was going to say more like a double date dinner party.
Okay.
That's kind of like a double date dinner party, but it's being hosted by us.
Exactly.
So it's being done here at home.
Yeah, these two people, this couple, actually...
They've met Hel before.
Yeah, you've met Elle.
Yeah.
And now you'll meet her husband, Aldo. We went to their house for dinner, I think last year, November.
Yes, in the fall, yeah.
And we kind of like making plans to meet because of work and other commitments. So,
yes, it's been, when they're free, we're not free. When we're free, they're not free. So fortunately, they are free today, and we decided to seize the moment.
Exactly.
And so this morning we got up and we decided, let's create a theme. So Wife for Life suggested we keep to our black and white theme.
Black and white.
Because in our household, we've got a lot of black and white.
Yeah.
So if they're coming to our house to be hosted, we decided let's serve them in our style.
Yes.
So let me show you guys a little bit what we've done on the table. Well, yeah, I'll take some credit. So, there's the table.
Looking nice.
Looking nice. Yeah. Wife for Life kind of did most of the work, but she had to come to the professional so that I could help her with a napkin design. I wouldn't take all credit for it because we both came up with this napkin. But if you hold the glass by the stem, and just spin it around, we came up with that together. So it was a joint effort, and we thought it's a good look.
Exactly.
Yeah, so
I think so. Yeah, so that's what we're working with. That's our table setting.
Right.
Very nice.
If you all know, it's obvious we're not standing in the same location where we normally stand. We normally stand at the balcony's door to get the best light, but the sun is so much today. Let's go to our location.
Show you.
If we come to our location,
it's okay.
It's okay, but then I've got all this lighting on me. So this is why we have decided to change location. Yes. I know it's not just me, but every time I turn, I can't help but to see the big penis that's sitting on our bar. For all our new subscribers that just joined us and might be wondering, why they got that big giant?
What's that big brown thing on the
every time we travel, we grab a souvenir that represents the country or the place that we went, and that big brown carved thing right there represents.
I thought you were gonna say something else.
That represents our trip to Bali, Indonesia.
If any of y'all have been to Bali, then you know that this is like one of the top souvenirs that you could buy from Bali.
Gotta have it,
Have one.
On the back there, even though we're Jamaicans, that was our souvenir from Jamaica, including the little Rastaman there. Behind us here, we've got... Oh, that's from Bali.
Rice hats, rice field. Rice field hat, workers hat.
Rice field hat. And here we got something to represent Mexico, the Mayans. Yeah. And up top, we've got the sombrero. Yes. Anyway, I wasn't supposed to be discussing there, but every time you turn, I just kept seeing. You know, so our old subscribers knew what it was.
Yes,
you know,
exactly.
but our subscribers increase, and like I say, if it's even one extra subscriber we get,
we acknowledge you all.
Acknowledge a subscriber just to say thank you for tuning in.
Exactly.
And we will not bore you. We will keep you entertained as best as possible.
Yeah.
And without a doubt, don't be shy. Share your feedback, make your comment, ask question. Let's get acquainted. All right, Wife for Life is about to throw down her food.
Yes, I'm going to start it and just get the preparations and then...
I'm going to be the man behind the camera and I will, you know, show you guys as she throws.
Do what we do.
Well, do what she does. You know guys know what I do. I eat, you know. I eat. She cooks, I eat. However, when it's time for me to throw down,
yeah, he's alright.
Alright, you know, I'm alright.
8 out of 10.
I won't even comment on that, you know. But I'll leave it to you guys. I'm not sure if we've got a video where I've prepared anything or cooked anything. Must have.
Look in the archives.
Look in the archives. I like the sound of that, the archives.
Yes.
Yes. Anyway, people, check Wife for Life out now as she throw down.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now. Yeah, people, it's almost that time. It's almost showtime.
Yes, indeed.
See, looking a bit dapper myself. You know, Wife for Life is there. You know, when you know it, you gotta show it, or when you show it, you know it. You know, something like that. Oh, let me turn this camera to the. So.
Mirror.
Ooh.
Still a bit short. I'm missing something.
Ooh. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That is just so, you know, check us out. Ooh, look. We belong together.
Yes,
you see, I
do.
can't show my face, because if I show my face, I can get a light. Oh, okay, I can get a, ooh, the light is there. But that's the situation at the moment. Our guests, I believe, are on their way. So, that's Wife for Life right there.
Yeah, just gotta put a bit more makeup on.
She's showing all the love today. Gold heart at top. Gold heart at bottom, even got a black heart as well. Ooh, yes. I like it. I like it. Zara, baby. Yeah. Dapper, all prepared. Yeah. Take you guys to show you. Oh, the table is set. Not quite. There's no plates on the table yet, but Wife for Life have put up her little candles. They're lit, and the layout, it's coming along. The family Sebastian style. Taking, oh, guests are here, so. No, that was good. The toast for Aldo and Elena. So, Elena. For the lady. This is yours. And of course, for the
camera lady,
the chef. I was the chef. Yes, I was the assistant today.
You cook together?
No.
I did the filming. Cheers!
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 Salud!
Salud!
First side out.
Yeah. Why? So the other side. Is that not okay?
So, cheers!
Cheers! Cheers again.
Double dating dinner vlog.
Wow.
So, it's good enough.
Okay.
Wow. So this is first take.
She's a great cook. We know.
We've got here some tiramisu prepared by Aldo. So let's see. Ooh, look at that. Check that out. That is beautiful. Alright, so we managed to get the tiramisu out in squares without any problem. So looking good. A little bit of something. There we go. There we go. As I've said before, this beautiful tiramisu, it's by Aldo. Aldo. Okay, people, you can't see us, but we are here. We're in the light. We're searching for the car.
Ma there is a stranger. Questa è la merda degli animali. Ah, ok. Ok,
Yeah.
perché ho detto
So,
c'è uno strano dopo.
here is our good plans for
Ah, ok.
trampoline.
I was sleeping, yeah, sorry. Ciao, and thank you very much.
Thank you for
You're very nice. Thanks a lot, and next time I will cook for you.
Yeah. Elle and Aldo is about to leave us.
Yeah.
So, as we say, ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.